Still doing the tour guide of Mali in Madrid, ladies and gentlemen, taking her to the stunning places all over Madrid. Yes. Yes. Here we are. Maybe Marley, she wants a picture here.
No,
Okay, let's go.
That's it.
That's it, it's that way. Well, you can go out many ways. This Calle Mayor again, and this nice building is what we have seen from afar. Molly. Oh, sorry. This is what we have seen from far away, and now we already passed it. Beautiful. This Calle Mayor already very close to the central area of Madrid. So that's already the Sol. Yes. All right. Small Madrid. Very nice. This Manta, the top Manta people. Let's go, Molly. Yes, yes. It's Calle Preciados, Madrid, Calle Preciados. One of the busiest streets in Europe. Calle Preciados. Very nice. This is Puerta del Sol Square in Madrid. Puerta del Sol. Let's go over there. It's nice wherever you look. That's another main street of Madrid. Lots of people. I lived over there, first street to the left, in this street. First street to the left, I lived there a long time ago. These streets are all beautiful. On this way, you may find Gran Via almost at the end. The shade.
There is a Jollibee here, but the price
Still in Madrid, Puerta del Sol, Madrid. Mall in Jollibee.
But I'm very poor, I'm only eating fries.
She's eating fries because she didn't finish her. She doesn't want to finish her chicken. Look at this. Still there.
Still up there?
And here still. Yes. Mom is so happy. She is always dreaming of Jollibee. She loves more Jollibee than me. Then she loves me, I may say. Alright, cheers. And after lunch, we left behind the center of Madrid, Puerta del Sol, and on the way to another stunning place calling Cibeles or Las Cibeles. And look at this, the stunning architecture of Madrid. It's true when I'm saying Madrid has stunning buildings, and it's true. Only when you're here you can feel it. Let me enjoy a bit. We are in the center of Madrid. We are in a stunning, absolutely stunning architectural show. Absolutely beautiful. Yes. Now we should take a better view on that side to this side. Still doing the tour guide of Mali in Madrid, ladies and gentlemen, taking her to the stunning places all over Madrid. Look at the architecture designs here. Wow. Yes. Wow. Molo is trying to invest.
Make me a fun.
Stunning. Wow, amazing. We are in the best spot of Madrid right now. No joke. Look all around. Look all around. Look all around. Look all around. And look all around. Look at this. Do you like me as your tourist guide in Europe? Look at this. Dreaming, isn't it? Dreaming. Dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. Stunning. Cheers. Madrid. Look at this. How beautiful is this, ladies and gentlemen? How beautiful is this? How beautiful is that? Tell me, Molly.
What?
How beautiful is this?
Excellent.
Excellent, isn't it? Wow. Las Cibeles, Madrid. One of the most beautiful, it's a lot of traffic right now, but one of the most beautiful corners in Madrid. Indeed. And this is Madrid Town Hall. Ladies and gentlemen, how beautiful is it? Yes.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you.